Oh, you mean to take picture there?
You want a picture there?
Not really, no.
Yeah. So we go, bring you go to the Beach.Good. Huh?
Yeah.
Just go Beach.Good this way.
Oh, okay.
You need to go to Beach.Good from here, about 1 hour and a half from here. You wanna come to the water maybe?
First, anyone looking to invest who's got super money, this is the place to come. It's so undeveloped here at the moment. They're all doing it up. No doubt the government's looking for super investments. It's going to dramatically change soon. Once that Formula One's finished and they get the hotels here, it'll be a totally different place. Let me get the name of it. Hello. Fine, thanks.
Nak mal juga dia pada. Hello Miss. Jadi jawan coklat meja. Tar ya.
Hello. Oh, you have to pay?
Yeah.
Oh. I'll show you a view of the new stadium, Formula One stadium for motorbike racing. This is the new Formula One stadium they're going to build. Give it 5 years from now, 10 years from now, totally transformed. I tell you, whoever's got super money, if I had money, I'd be investing right here because you're guaranteed to make a good return. What you see off that track there, there's a lot more to it. I mean, it's a massive track, because even just driving to it, you know, what you see there goes well beyond that. As you can see, they'll have all the surfers there, all the holiday makers, there'll be bundles of hotels along here. The only downside to buying here, you don't own the land, you rent it off the government, but I'm sure you still make a killing even if you have to rent it off the government. You'd own the property but just not the land. I guess it's like you're just leasing the land, I guess, from the government, because it's all government owned around here. They kicked all the locals out, claimed it for themselves, and make billions and give nothing back to the people, other than when the tourists come over, they'll be selling their little bits and bobs. Stunning. I can see when this place is finished, it's be full of the holiday makers. Wow, look at that. Don't that look great? Let's head right up to the top and I'll show you right from the peak of this mountain what it looks like. Maybe I might get high enough to see more of the track, but I doubt it because we were driving for ages. Me and my driver, the track was massive. Like here you can see no seating area. Where I was, you can see the odd seats, but where I was back down there before coming into this area, loads of stadium seats. Getting it all prepared. Really nice. Beautiful place, isn't it? Beautiful.
Five-star hotel.
5-star, yes. Like all around this bit will be 5-star. Lots of money. Only for rich people, this area.
But next year's not
Yeah, I say another 5-10 years.
All
completed.
All the country is like a
Different place. Yes, it'd be a totally different place.
Because here the sand also is white sand, all the color.
Yes, yes. I could well believe there'd be hotels here.
Yeah.
Looking down at the stadium.
No nice hotel on here. Maybe the US, maybe the government. All on this place like government land.
Government will build it.
Yeah, this
Government will build the close ones.
Yeah, the government and also the people. He need to make some hotel. He must to rent on the government land, something like this.
Yes. Oh well, as I said, I thought just the government was going to take the perfect spots for themselves, but they just want investment for people to build on it. I'm sure they have a few investors already. There's loads of super rich people out there. It's a shame I'm not one of
I sent the picture later to Dubai.
Okay, yes.
Hey, good speaking. Are you with mom? You understand what I say?
What's that?
We can go by this way also. We can go up that way, please too.
Okay, we just go down here.
Don't touching the stone what you had like that.
Oh, very careful.
Yeah. Hati-hati.
Just right where I was, which is I just walked onto the beach bit. I'll show you what it looks like. I guess it's more rugged, but give it time, they're going to get rid of all of this and put all sand and have nice clear water. See lots of people fishing for something. I don't know what kind of fish they're catching here, but they're catching something. 5-10 years, they'll have all of this bit changed. And I think this would be surfing paradise for people who love to surf. Definitely get the waves here. Unlike some of the other coasts I see, it's not really like this. And it being so close to the Formula One stadium, yeah, I could see them turning this into a surfer's paradise. And these little shacks definitely won't be here. The government will move them on quick time. As soon as they're ready to make their move, they'll be gone. Unfortunately for the locals. With no compensation with it. Or maybe they may give them a spot, a little shop, but I doubt it very much. Beach. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll give you the name shortly.